So I think the fact that there's a good curated set of entrepreneurs that already exist in T-Hub, I think is a good starting point. But being able to provide a great environment, being able to make the networking happen, making sure that they can talk to each other and be able to have opportunities to collaborate is a great way. But I think T-Hub also brings in a lot of people from outside, and I think creating those very clearly curated events, I think allows for people to start thinking in directions that they otherwise wouldn't. And I think that is a great way to be able to at least spark what an idea can be for an entrepreneur. But I think ultimately, I think it's the ecosystem that matters.
I think T-Hub is an excellent platform, marketplace, whatever you want to call it, a hub exactly, which is what it should be, to bring people who start up, as well as perhaps people who are willing to fund, as well as people who are willing to provide expertise, and probably people like me who are on the academic side who will provide human resources by recommending students or things of those kinds, everyone to a common platform and be able to let them talk to each other and derive their own benefits. I think we need such platforms, otherwise people are not going to be able to reach to their consumers, to their sources of expertise and experience, right? So
in Calcutta, we have with this incubation center about 1.5 years back, concentrate on startups who are working in the tech domain. So when we got to see the startups in very good experience to work with startups who are already in such an advanced stage of deep tech, considering that, I think T-Hub, we all know that has done a fantastic job over a period of time, and it's a wonderful experience for us to collaborate with them, and we hope that we take it forward and looking for some good days ahead with T-Hub in the days to come.